Ever wondered how your emotions might be impacting your physical health? It's a question that has intrigued scientists for decades, leading to the exploration of the fascinating realm of the mind-body connection. This concept suggests that our thoughts, feelings, beliefs, and attitudes can positively or negatively affect our biological functioning. One emotion that has been spotlighted recently is anger. Yes, you heard it right, anger. While it's a completely normal and even healthy human emotion when managed appropriately, prolonged or intense anger might have more serious implications. A recent study has brought to light that being angry for just 8 minutes can lead to changes in the way our blood vessels function, which could potentially increase the risk of heart attacks and strokes. This research involved young adults who were asked to recall past angry experiences. The results? Impaired blood vessel functioning. This is significant because such impairment is often associated with cardiac events. This suggests that our emotional state, particularly when we're angry, can have a profound impact on our heart health. So it's clear that our emotions, especially anger, can have a significant impact on our health. Now, you might be asking, how does anger compare to other heart disease risk factors like smoking or obesity? Well, let's paint the picture. We all know smoking is a major villain when it comes to heart health. It causes inflammation and damage to the blood vessels, leading to heart disease. Similarly, obesity is another well-known adversary. It increases the risk of heart disease by raising blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and inducing diabetes. But what about anger? It might surprise you to know that anger can be just as harmful, if not more. When we get angry, our body releases stress hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. These hormones increase our heart rate, blood pressure, and blood sugar levels. Over time, frequent bouts of anger can lead to chronic inflammation, a key player in the development of heart disease. Moreover, a recent study found that being angry for just 8 minutes can impair our blood vessels functioning, potentially paving the way for heart attacks and strokes. This research highlights the significant but often overlooked impact of emotions on our heart health. The danger of anger does not stop there. It also affects our blood vessels' dilation capacity, which can have long-term consequences on our cardiovascular health. This means that intense emotions such as anger could contribute to heart attacks, especially in individuals with existing health conditions. So, yes, while smoking and obesity are well-known heart disease risk factors, the role of anger is equally significant. It's a silent enemy that can sneak up on us. The key takeaway here is that heart health is not just about our physical habits, but also about our emotional states. In this light, managing our anger becomes just as important as quitting smoking or maintaining a healthy weight. As you can see, anger can be just as damaging to our heart health as smoking or obesity, if not more so. Now that we understand the impact of anger on our heart health, what can we do about it? It's a question that may have crossed your mind, and rightfully so. Managing anger begins with recognizing it. We all feel anger. It's a natural human emotion, but it's how we handle it that matters. Mindfulness is a potent tool in this regard. It teaches us to be present in the moment, to acknowledge our feelings without judgment, and to let go of any negative thoughts. It's like taking a step back from our emotions, giving us the space to respond rather than react. Physical activity can also be a great way to release pent-up anger. Regular exercise not only helps to reduce stress, but also has a direct positive impact on our heart health. It's like killing 2 birds with 1 stone. You're managing your anger and taking care of your heart at the same time. But what if these self-management techniques aren't enough? Sometimes anger can be overwhelming, and that's okay. Don't hesitate to seek professional help if you need it. Therapists and counselors are trained to help you find healthy ways to deal with anger, ways that won't harm your heart health. The connection between our physical and mental health is undeniable. Just as a healthy diet and regular exercise are vital for heart health, so too is a healthy mental state. Remember, your heart doesn't just need you to be physically fit, it needs you to be mentally fit too. Remember, taking care of your heart isn't just about diet and exercise, it's also about managing your emotions, particularly anger. So the next time you feel anger rising, take a deep breath and remember the impact it could have on your heart. And don't forget to share this video to spread the word about the importance of managing anger for heart health.